living machine. So the different we just in the previous class I have told about the organs of the human body. We already discussed about the three organs, that is the respiratory system, then the circulatory system and the digestive system. Today I am going to discuss about the rest system, that is the nervous system, skeletal system, muscular system and respiratory system and the reproductive system. The first one is the nervous system. Here I have just drawn one diagram here of the nervous system. So nervous system consists of brain, nerves and the spinal cord. So write the nervous system consists of brains, nerves and the spinal cord. Okay student, here you can solve. This one the brain and these are the nerves that the red lines are, and this one is your spinal cord. So what happened? The nervous system helps to control all the actions of our body. That is when we see something, when we hear something or you learn something, that all controlled by our nervous system. The nervous system is to control all the actions, that is, what are the actions? You can say seeing, if you see something, then hearing, or you can say when you walking and learning. That all are controlled by our nervous system. The next one is the skeletal system. As you say, this is a diagram of the skeletal system. Here all the bones are there. So our body has near about 206 bones. Our body has 206 bones. And all bones together make the skeletal system. Together make the skeletal system. And what is the function of the skeletal system? Skeletal systems helps to give the shape and give the shape and support to our body. Generally, it gives shape and support to our body. So it helps to walk and move, or you can say the stand. Due to the skeletal system, we can walk, move and stand properly. Then the muscular system. Along with these bones, the muscular system help our body to move properly. Along with the bones, the muscular system help our body to move. So this is your muscular system. These all are muscles. So if we have both the bone and the muscular system, due to which our body can walk properly and it can move properly. Then the excretory system. As you have just told you about in the digestive system, when we eat some food, at the time of digestion, some waste materials are also there. So thus, these waste material must be removed by our body regularly so that our body can walk smoothly. So the organs, waste products are removed by the organs of excretory system. First one you can say kidney remove urine, then the skin removes sweat, and the lungs waste products are removed by the organs of excretory system, and if waste products are not removed, then for our body will not function properly, and it's very necessary to remove the waste products from our body so that our body can work smoothly. So waste products are removed by the organs of the excretory system, that is the kidney. The kidney removes the urine and the skin removes sweat, and the lungs throw out the carbon dioxide. Okay, the next the reproductive system. The organs of this system helps to produce babies. Due to this system, life due to this system, life on the earth goes on. Okay, reproductive system. The organs of this system helps to produce babies. Through reproductive system, new babies are born so that the life on the earth goes on. So these are the systems of the human body. I have discussed all the systems. Okay, I hope you all are understand this one. So today I just finished my class. Thank you.